Okay, something really exciting today is happening. The new livery is being put on the funny car. Okay, something really exciting is happening today. Some big news.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Okay, seriously, something really cool is happening today. So, this season we have two primary sponsors. We have Tim and T&D Express, which is a trucking company based out of Connecticut, and we have Pat and Priority Systems, which is based out of Chicago. Well, we are just getting Tim's body put together and wrapped for the 2023 season, and today we're going to be revealing the 2023 THR T&D Express livery, and let me tell you, it looks really good so far, like really good. But I am really excited for you guys to see it when it's done, because it's going to look... Brian is over here putting the wrap on the body, and that's as much of a sneak peek as I'm going to give you until we do the full reveal of the body. But this thing is going to look awesome, I'm telling you. I can't wait to show you guys this. This looks so good. He's doing a great job. There's a few stickers on the side and a big sticker on the hood that have to go on before I show you guys, because this thing's awesome.
One thing I want him to learn from all this that I do, because I don't always make sense, but I want him to learn to never ever give up. You keep trying, you give it everything you got, you put your heart and soul into your dreams, because it's worth it.
I'd like to say thank you to T&D Express. Without them, we wouldn't be here. We couldn't afford to come to this race. So thank you, Tim.
And this is it. This is the 2023 T&D Express Terry Haddock Racing livery. And this thing looks really cool. We're about to carry it into the other shop and put it on the funny car, and I'm really excited to see it with wheels and tires and a blower and all of that cool stuff. But this thing looks really sweet. So we are incredibly happy with this. So yeah. And a cool bit that this car has is the Bible verse on the hood. Now, this Bible verse is from Paul's letter to the church in Philippi. I'm not really sure how to say it. Philippi, I think it is. But basically, a lot of people use this verse as like motivation or whatever. It's, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And while that is one interpretation of it, when Paul wrote this letter, he was in jail for his belief in God and for serving Jesus and all of that stuff. So when he writes this, it's more of a like, I can get through the hard times with God by my side, and it's like a verse for the losers is like a way to understand it, I guess. And the underdogs, the losers, the whatever. But yeah. And Dad's moving the body around as I'm talking. Thanks, Pops. That is our 2023 Terry Haddock Racing T&D Express livery. It looks really cool. We are now on our way to Gainesville. We're actually sitting in traffic right now. Not fun. But 5 days we get to burn nitro and go racing, and it's gonna be a good year, and I can't wait. So better see you there, and never give up.